Welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're going to be making some lemon cookies, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. First, we're going to juice and zest that lemon. And now we're going to start mixing by putting the Cool Whip into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our egg. Then we're going to add our cake mix. And then the zest and the lemon to add a little extra lemon to it. That's 8 ounces of Cool Whip. One egg. The zest and the lemon. I'm gonna get some powdered sugar and start separating this out onto a baking sheet. Get these tablespoon size balls, roll them in the sugar, and place them on the parchment. These guys are ready for the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. The sugar so it doesn't stick to your fingers. We're going to do that a few more times. And there's our cookies, fresh out of the oven. And there's the blueberry version, fresh out of the oven. Absolutely everything I was expecting. That is delicious. That is delicious. You couldn't get a better cookie if you bought it from, well, we won't name that place. Delicious. Crumbs and all. tune in next time to Stovetop Garage to see what we have cooking next. Oh yeah, you got to try these. Absolutely amazing. Pick your own flavors, pick your own cake, just go try it. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.